Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the keyboard on your Apple Watch SE. This handy feature allows you to type messages and replies directly from your wrist, making communication much more convenient. We'll cover everything from enabling the keyboard to mastering its various input methods. Get ready to unlock a new level of productivity with your Apple Watch SE, transforming how you interact with your device on the go. Accessing the keyboard on your Apple Watch SE is quite straightforward. When you open an app that requires text input, like Messages, and tap on the text field, the full QWERTY keyboard should automatically pop up. If it doesn't, you might see options for dictation or scribble first. Simply swipe up or tap the keyboard icon to reveal the typing interface, ready for your input. Typing on the Apple Watch SE keyboard offers a few versatile methods. You can tap each letter individually, just like on a tiny phone screen. For quicker input, try Quick Path by swiping your finger across the letters to form words without lifting it. The watch intelligently predicts your words. To edit, simply rotate the digital crown to move the cursor, making corrections a breeze. To enhance your typing experience, here are some useful tips. You can easily access a wide range of emojis by tapping the emoji icon located on the bottom left of the keyboard. If you need to type in different languages, you can switch between them in your Apple Watch settings. Also, a firm press on the keyboard screen can sometimes bring up alternative input methods like dictation or scribble, offering more flexibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.